Create payroll unit in Tally Prime. Use payroll units to calculate pay components for a given period. You can create simple and compound payroll units depends measured on attendance or production types such as time, work or quantity. Simple payroll unit. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Create, select Unit and press Enter. Select Type as Simple. Enter the symbol for the unit. Enter the formal name. Provide the number of decimal places as applicable. Accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl+A to save. Similarly, you can create the other payroll units such as minutes, hours and pieces. Compound payroll unit. In a compound payroll unit, you can combine two payroll units. For example, a box of 10 numbers, a dozen of 12 pieces, and an hour of 60 minutes. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Create, select Unit and press Enter. Select Compound in the field type and press Enter. In the conversion field, you can create the compound payroll unit. Select the first unit from the units list. In the example, hours is the first unit. Specify the conversion factor in the conversion field. In the example, the conversion factor is 60. Specify the second unit from the unit list. In the example, minutes is the second unit. Accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl+A to save. Please note, by default, Tally Prime contains 4 preset calculations periods, that is days, fortnights, months and weeks. However, you can add new payroll units based on your business needs. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.